If you're experiencing payment failures on Sisense, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment information. Verify that all payment details entered are correct, including card number, expiration date, and billing address. Ensure that there are no typos or outdated information. Step 2. Confirm sufficient funds. Make sure that the payment method you are using has sufficient funds available. Check your bank account or credit card balance to ensure it can cover the transaction. Step 3. Review payment method restrictions. Some payment methods may have restrictions or may not be accepted by Sisense. Check if your chosen payment method is valid and supported for transactions. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem continues after trying the previous steps, reach out to Sisense customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the payment failure for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Sisense efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.